Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be another unboxing video and it is February's edition of Treatbox. And this is what it looks like. It's got my address on here. But yeah, so it comes in a clear sort of packaging, which I've just ripped off. So if you're new to Treatbox and you want to know a little bit about it, how much it costs, etc., then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward. So Treatbox is a beauty lifestyle stationery monthly subscription box. I pay £12.95 for this box, which is a one-off box. Subscriptions are normally £12 a month, which you can cancel any time. Online it says for your March box, subscriptions will be £15 a month and one-off boxes will be £15.95 a month. So they've gone up by £3. There's free shipping within the UK, but they also ship worldwide as well. So I think within Europe it's £4.99 shipping and the rest of the world is £6.99 shipping. But online you can see past boxes, you can actually buy past boxes as well. You can build your own box, and as I said, you can have a monthly or a one-off, or they also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. So inside contains a good mix of, mainly I'd say from the boxes I've had in the past, mainly stationery, beauty and a few homeware items as well, which are a little bit different, and there's always a theme and I really like it. I think this is my 4th or 5th box now. I haven't had one for a little while because I keep forgetting to order one, but I thought I would do it for February to see if there's a February Valentine's-y type romance theme going on, because it seems to be with like Look Fantastic and glossy box, etc. So I wanted to see what Treatbox is like for February. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So if you want to know a little bit more about the subscription, I will add all the information down below. So click on the show more, that will bring up my description, and everything related to that box will be down there, including any discount codes. I think there's one online for 10% off. I'll have a look and I'll pop that down there as well. So let's open it up and see what we got. So this is what it looks like inside. So we got a little leaflet, and from memory, yeah, we got a little calendar there for February. So in this leaflet it tells you everything about the products inside this box, and another thing I love about it is they tell you the price as well, because I just love to know. I love to know how much it all comes to compared to the price of the box. So this is what it looks like there. It's really pretty, and it's got You Matter stuck on there. So that's what we got this month. Woo! I don't want to tip it out. As I normally do with the items, I pick an item up, show you, and refer back to this little leaflet here. So what's it say then? Happy February, you go girl. With Galentine's on February the 13th, we thought this would be the perfect opportunity to celebrate women. We hope you enjoy your treat box this month. I personally have really enjoyed putting the box together, and I am really happy with the outcome. If you love your box, I would love to see your photos over on Instagram. It makes me so proud seeing all your amazing feedback. Lots of love, Zoe from Treatbox. And it says, join us for your next box today for a perfect bit of me time every month. So it's got all the social media sites on there. See down the bottom. So is there any extra information in here? No, we just got all the info about the goodies. So let's pick the first item up then. So the first item is a bubble tea. Oh, it's one of these hand sanitizers. Hibiscus and acai berry tea infused with tea essential oils. I've never had one of these. Never had one of these. We've had a few, you know, hand sanitizer gels and things, but not one of these. 250 sprays. I keep meaning to get them. It's one of those things you see on checkout counters and it's like, oh yeah, that's handy, but you never buy them. Or not me anyway. I can't speak for all of us, obviously, but no, I'm really happy to try that. So that's the first item there, and no, handy. So what's it say? How much it costs? So the recommended retail price for this is £2.50, and it says bubble tea hand sanitizer with a dreamy scent of hibiscus and acai berry tea. It's a firm favourite all over. We hope you love it too. So that's the first item. Next item, we got a chocolate, and this is a milk chocolate lolly in the shape of a heart. That's what it looks like there. I'm currently dairy free at the moment. So I can't have it, but I give it to my husband. Pop it in his Valentine's card. This extremely cute chocolate heart lollipop, hand tied with a red ribbon, fits in our February box just perfectly. Don't worry, I did all the product testing for this one. I can assure you it tastes amazing too. And the recommended retail price for this is £2.99. So next item we've got, is it a bag? Yeah, it is. It's a little sack bag, and it's got love on it. That is cute. It's like a, oh, what do they call them? Those sweets, love hearts sweets. Really cute, so a nice size there. Like a drawstring, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I love bags like these, just really super handy to pop. When I think of like going away for the night or something like that, you know, just to put your essentials or my toiletries in there. But yeah, so what's it say? So this cute bag was designed and handmade by us at Treatbox. It's the perfect bag to take away whilst travelling or to organise your day-to-day handbags, separate items and make it easy to find. The recommended retail price for this is £6.95. So that's our third item. Next, we've got a Girl Power, oh, it's like a post-it note, like a big post-it note thing. So this is sticky post-it notes. So that's Girl Power. So it says here, next up is our super cute Girl Power post-it notes, perfect for jotting down those little mind-boggling thoughts that you just don't want to forget. Recommended retail price £3.50. Oh, that's pricey. That is really pricey. £3.50. That is quite pricey. No, I don't go out and buy post-it notes often, so I can't really say. But yeah, it's cute. It is cute. It is quite nice. But £3.50. I'm sure you can get them like bigger ones for like £1 or so. Oh, I might be wrong. Mind you, it is big. It is big. I don't know. Next, we've got we've got a box of something. It says absolutely fabulous stripy ring dish. Oh, how lovely. Designed in Cornwall. That's one thing I don't have. My jewellery, oh my gosh, and I got a ton of it. It's all over the place, So I quite like this. Well, I suppose it could be used for anything, couldn't it? Not just your rings, but that's what that looks like there. No, I quite like that. Quite nice. I will put my rings on there, actually. I will do. I'll make an effort to do it so that I know where they all are. This beautifully elegant gold stripe design will rock out in any part of your home. One amazing thing about this little beauty, it doesn't just have to be used as a jewellery dish because of its generous size. Recommended retail price for this dish is £8. So that's that. Next item. We've got some cards. Oh, these are lovely. These are really nice. I think they're cards. We've got two here. One says Girl Power and one says Strong Woman. Oh, that is so sweet. That is really, really nice. Really nice. So we got two there. So what's it say? This extremely cute chocolate heart lollipop. No, I've just read about that. We have hand designed you all two beautiful cards, whether you keep them for yourself or give them to a powerful woman you know. They are perfect pick-me-ups, whether you use them, frame them, just remember their meaning. Recommended retail price is £2.50 each. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to go away and top them all up and I'll be back with you. So there we go, if I can hold them properly. We got 6 items in this month's treat box. We've got a chocolate heart, we've got some post-it notes, we've got a ring dish, we've got some cards, we've got a bag, and we've got a hand sanitizer. I think the whole theme is lovely. I think it's really nicely put together, some really lovely items there. The only thing I'm a little bit shocked about is the cost of the items, with this post-it note being £3.50 and actually these cards being £2.50 each. That is quite expensive for cards. Maybe £1.99, £1.75 or £1.99 each. That would have not shocked me as much. They are gorgeous, they are really lovely, but would I spend £5 on 2 cards this size? I'm not too sure I would, and I wouldn't spend £3.50 on some post-it notes. But I do like them. Everything will be used. My husband is going to have that heart chocolate for Valentine's Day. I'm going to use the ring dish because I think they're cute. Yeah, the post-it notes, they'll come in handy. This bag I will definitely use. I really like that. And the hand sanitizer. Yeah, and the cards. I'm not sure what I'll do with the cards yet, but I think they're really cute and I will use them. So overall, I'm really happy with the box. Really happy. I paid £12.95 as a one-off box. From March onwards, this box would be £15.95 for a one-off, or as I said, £15 for a monthly subscription. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you get Treatbox? What's your thoughts on it? I'd love to know, so comment down below. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.